Tonight, the Collier County Sheriff says he is expected to renew an agreement that cracks down on illegal immigration.
But as 4 News Reporter's Julie Salomon explains, opponents argue the law breaks families apart and allows the Sheriff's Office to target undocumented immigrants for misdemeanors. Julie?
Well, Emily, since 2007, more than 3,500 people have been deported, some of them with very long rap sheets. But not everyone agrees with the program, and they want the sheriff to reconsider. Gloria Padilla works for RCMA, which cares for children of migrant farm workers in Immokalee. She shares a letter with me from an 8-year-old whose dad was deported.
And I was sad. My sister and my mom was sad. These are the kind of letters that we're getting more and more from our children, from our kids in Immokalee.
Gloria and other local activists oppose the renewal of the Immigration and Nationality Act known as 287G. It allows the Sheriff's Office to detain undocumented immigrants caught in criminal acts who are then deported.
When children see or hear about their parents or extended family members being taken away for possible deportation, it sets a feeling of fear.
1,200 people in Collier have already signed a petition against 287G, an agreement the sheriff says he plans to renew.
It's been successful here in Collier County, and we have been recognized by ICE as a successful program.
The group is now delivering a letter to the Sheriff's Office today, arguing the program splits families apart and targets minorities for misdemeanors.
What is your message to the sheriff today?
I'd certainly urge him to reconsider the 287G program.
But the Sheriff's Office tells me today Collier County remains committed to the 287G program. The Sheriff's Office said in a statement today, the results we have experienced since implementing the program in 2007 support its continuation. The approximately 4,200 individuals who have been placed on detainer in Collier County are responsible for more than 27,000 crimes committed in Collier County and other areas of the United States. And for the sheriff's full response, you can log on to fox4now.com and click on this story. Live in Collier County tonight, Julie Salomon, Fox 4, in your corner.
Thank you, Julie. Do you think the Sheriff's Office should have the power to detain undocumented immigrants? You can let us know when you click on Viewer's Voice on Fox 4 Now or call us at 239-206-FOX4.